Okay, Howard, this is your engine. I got it on here and got everything, all the fluids filled up and ran it. I have not retorqued the head yet or readjusted the valves afterwards. So, but I wanted to get this video done and so that you could hear it and make your plans to come out and pick it up. Of course, what I usually do is I run it for about 45 minutes or an hour, and then I retorque the head and readjust the valves and like I said, I haven't done that yet, but it is running good. And the only other thing I haven't been able to do is time it. My timing light quit on me, so I'm going to pick up another timing light. Maybe I'll get one of those tomorrow. But anyway, got my test stand here. The oil pressure. The oil pressure's been running about 75, and you can see the temperature's up to about 190. It's been staying right about there. I got a little bit of a water leak in my radiator, so I have to fill it every now and then, but it should be good for a little run test here for 3 or 4 minutes. But it's kind of loud, and but it runs about 75 on the oil pressure to start with, and it calmed down to about 65. I don't think it's been lower than 65 since I ran it earlier today. So started running it about 45 minutes ago, and so I'm going to start it up, let you hear it. And it does not have a muffler, so it is a bit loud, but that's all part of the joy of it. And so here you go, and we'll run it at a couple different speeds and let you listen to it. Started a little hard there because I don't have the timing set yet, don't have my light, but I just have it close. So there's an idle oil pressure. So there you have it. Wish I had it timed a little bit better, but I'll do another video. I'll do another video here in tomorrow, or no, but it won't be till Monday. And after I get a timing light, and I'll get it timed, and I'll readjust the valves and retorque the head, and then I'll have a real good test on it. But I wanted to send you this video, which I told you I'd do. So, all right, there you go, and we'll be in touch, and I'll start working on figuring out your bill, and I'll send that to you too ahead of you coming, and so there are no surprises. That's all I got for this video.